What do you boys think of that?
Yeah, it's nice. Quite beautiful. And then you look over there and you see this nice blue sky over here.
Yeah, it looks like it's raining over there, definitely. What does that make you feel like doing, Matt?
Oh, climbing, man, climbing.
It makes me want to go, wahoo!
You're going to get the count after.
Maybe 60 degrees, but I'm 100 inside.
Are you getting warm?
No, I'm okay.
You look like you're 100 to me, buddy. Woohoo!
I'm hot.
That's our destination tomorrow. A couple thousand feet above us. Brady is pumped.
Get her done!
Oh, wow.
It should be fun.
What do you think, Matt?
Whoa!
Dude, that was pretty weak.
That's why I didn't try that. I knew it would be...
Do over.
So I did something cheesy instead.
Woohoo!
There you go.
Woohoo! So we're blown away. It's August 8th. And we're sitting in the snow. Can I get a woohoo? All right.
Yep.
Okay, there's the valley.
That's incredible. This is so cool.
Kind of see where you'd come up here.
Right, be careful, Eric.
No.
Yeah.
See Eric.
Sharp rocks, so it's easy to cut yourself on and kill yourself, but also good for traction. That's right, if you fell on this,
Snowing.
it'd be a quick ending.
$32 degrees. Wow, I don't see a single cloud, man.
Yeah.
Some fog right there, a little bit of cloud. The only clouds you see are the ones the peaks are making, you know?
I need to show that to you. Remember this.
Yeah.
And I'll show you that path, the Bishop Pass picture of Lance Ladder.
Okay. Yeah, let's see what's on the other side.
Careful what you wish for. Your cube might be over there or something, you know? There's Mackie. Some of the pioneers over there. Can't see any of the boulders or white clouds due to the white clouds. Ha ha ha. Bora. Limhighs are over there, but you can't really see them. Woo! Pretty fantastic. 11,228 feet. And there's Matthew! Come on, Matt, give me a woohoo! I hear my echo.
It's August 9th and we are at Pass Lake in the Pashimeroi Valley near Leatherman Peak. Here's our campsite. It's really nice. There's Aaron and Matt getting water. We're tired because we just did a big hike.
No, we didn't. It was a sissy hike.
And the water here is great. This lake's pretty nice. And then I go over here and see. That's where we hiked up into here in the inlet. It's okay. Yeah. And then, oh, you got this little bitty mountain here up on the right. Okay, yeah, okay, that's okay. Yeah. Oh, yep. all the way around. Just keeps going and going, and there's the ridge that we hiked up to yesterday when we got here. Goes straight down on the other side. It's kind of cool. And last but not least, there's Leatherman Peak in the background there. We hiked up the left ridge. Eric and Matt got to the top, and Aaron and I got pretty close. We were the highest ever for us, so it was good.
11,500 feet?
Yeah,
maybe a little
something
more.
like that. It was good. Bye bye. We're on our hike out from Pass Lake, which is just up there behind those trees and down below that mountain. And there's Eric coming down the trail, and he's not in front for today. I think it's the first. In fact, I'm sure it's the first, but anyway, we're on our way. Here's a Leatherman up here on the left. You see all the cool things in the rock and other rock. There's Matt. There's Aaron. And there's the valley we're going down.
Dude, Aaron, you missed a total awesome one, man. What nice.
Yes?
Tell me your thoughts.
Well, I'm gonna miss this tomorrow at work.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
A little further in the valley, figured I should take another video since we're going to lose the view here in about 10 seconds. There's Eric. He's been enjoying the views too. It's good. That's where Pass Lake is, right up there. And if you come up here, in the distance we can see Idaho Peak right there. And then over here we can see Matt. Hey Matt!
Hi.
What do you think? It's been a lot of this today.
I think.
Pictures of pictures. It's good.
I think. Woo!
Good.
Well, here's Leatherman. On our trail, we're going out, but there it is up there. And you can, Matt and Eric made it all the way to the top, and Aaron and I made it to a little bitty snowfield that you can hardly see from here. It was pretty good.